Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to fix our existing issue. So if I go here and click on this add category and let me highlight this exact DOM. So this will also contain, let me open this out from there. So it's inside the div. So where it is, so this one also contain the category id value 4. So it means that we need when we update our stuff, we need to remove this category value from there, because it's going to check, we are checking this in the controller, that if it does not exist then we are going to update this stuff, right? So here let me check that if category requested category id, so you can also check this equal not equal empty, not equal empty, or you can say that null, then you are going to update this stuff, right? So now we need to make this null. Why? Because if I go here and create a new category, it's not going to create a new category, so it's pulling the old data. So how we can remove these values from the form? So after updating, or when we are updating or creating new stuff, we need to update these values. So here after this update, let me go to the top, and here when we redraw our table, here we need to add name, and then this name would be name dot well, and this value would be empty, right? So also I'm highlighting this type, and this would be also a category id, right? So when I redraw when I update something, so it will, after update, it will update this name, type, and category, made them empty. So if I go here, let's get refresh and check that our logic is working or not. So here let me update some category. So I'm going to update this fifth one. I'm going to make this add one, and let's update this category, and yes, it's updated successfully. And I clicked on it twice time, that's why it's giving like this. It's 5. So if I now click on this add category, so it's, this one is empty, this one is empty, and this category value is also empty. So it means that it's not going to update this stuff. So it's used for creating the category, but how we can update this one? So whenever we are clicking on this add category, so we want to make this or add like this. So let me go to the a new event. So what is the id of this add category? So let me find this add category. It's this one. So I need to add id, right? So I'm adding an id of add category, okay? And then I'm going to, in the JavaScript, I'm going to call this I'm going to here call this, whenever I'm calling this id, I'm going to click on it. So I want to perform some operation. So which operation I want to perform? So I want to make this Modal title I want to make this Modal title would be the empty, not empty, it would be HTML, and HTML would be create category, right? And then I'm going to also do it for the second one. So what's the second one? Second one would be the save btn, okay? Then I'm also going to add the HTML, and this will be save category, okay? Save this one. Let's get refresh and check that we are getting same thing or not. So I'm going to make this correct again. So I'm going to remove this. Oops, I'm going to remove this one. Update category. Okay, updated, and this one is updated. So if I go back and let's click on this add category, so now there is no value. It's also printing create category and it's saved category. So it means that now we are able to successfully edit the category, delete the not delete, we are going to store the category, update the category and display the category. So in the next video we are going to delete these categories. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.